Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to convert an image into a black and white, a color photo into a black and white using a grayscale dynamically with a JavaScript code. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application. How to convert a color image into a black and white using a grayscale with JavaScript code. If you notice here, we have two images. The first image I have converted using CSS style. The actual color is red color, it's converted into black. Now the second image, I'm using JavaScript code. So notice here, when I move the range, it's converting into black and white.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code, which is VS Code. First, let's add one text file. Now in this text file, I am selecting the language I want to save into HTML file. So now let's add some basic HTML elements. First, we need to save this file first. Save. I'm saving this file on my desktop under JavaScript-tutorials folder. The file name is Black White Image. After that, now let's add the coding part, HTML. Then let's add the header tag. After that, we'll add the body element. These are the basic requirements to create the HTML files. First, in this body element, I am adding the center element. In the center element, I am adding h1 tag. How to convert an color image into black and white using grayscale JavaScript with JavaScript code. After that, first what I'll do is I'll add one input. First I'll add one image element. Image source is equals to the source. Let's close this image tag first. Image tag. Now here in the image, here the image source, I'm adding from a desktop. This is up arrow. Let's copy this folder name, the path name, I'm pasting here. Now instead of backward slashes, make it forward slashes, and we require the file name. What is the file name here? Let's take this one, up arrow, up underscore arrow, up underscore arrow. That's it. Now let's save this file. We'll check the output. This image is displaying or not. Go to run, start debugging. I'm selecting the web app Chrome. Oops, something went wrong here. .jpg. The extension is. Now let's reload the browser. And here we got the image here. How to convert a color image into a black and white using grayscale. So now my aim is, first, I will show you two methods using CSS styles. Go here. This is the convert. First, in the header section, I am adding style. In the style, the ID is equals to image1. And here, I am calling, when we are adding images ID, any ID in the styles, we need to prefix with hash image1. Then we need to add the filter property. Then grayscale is 100%. 100% is it's totally convert into black and white. Let's save this file. We'll check the output. Now I'm reloading the browser. See, here we got it's converted into black and white. Now suppose if you enter here 50%. Now again save this file. See, reload the browser. We got the semi grayscale here. This is the first method to convert the images into black and white using the styles, CSS styles. Now my aim is I want to convert this image into a black and white using a JavaScript code. So here I am adding one more image element. This one I am adding image 2, the same image I am adding here. So let's save this file first. We'll check this image is displaying or not. Reload the browser. See here, this black and white is in CSS style. This is the image 2, which I am applying for the JavaScript. Now what we require is the input range. Input type is equals to range here. The range ID is equals to input ID value is equals to 10. I am adding minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 100. After that, there is a on input is equals to this on input takes the ID of the output. So let's add the output here. Output ID is equals to output ID. I am adding 10 here because I want to start the value with 10. Now what we'll do is let's save this file. We'll check the new output after adding the range operator. Oops, it's not converting here. Oh, we need to convert this. First we need to copy this one. Output ID dot value here is equals to input. I'm comparing the input ID dot value. So now save this file. We'll check the output. Reload the browser. See, here the numbers are counting. Now what I'll do is here I'm adding one horizontal line. So it will come. Save this file. We'll check. Here we got. See. Now let's write the JavaScript code. Above the style I am adding script element. Script type is equals to text / JavaScript. Now here in the script I am adding one function image black white. Give any function name here. Now in this function document dot get element by ID. Here the get element by ID takes a string parameter. What ID I want to convert? The image ID. The image 1 we have converted into black and white using styles. The image 2 is for JavaScript code. Image 2 dot style dot filter property is equals to between double quotes I am adding grayscale is now here I am adding between double quotes plus percentage. After the double quotes I am adding percentage. Now here I want to change the grayscale percentage, the numbers dynamically using the input range. I am adding this output ID dot inner HTML. That's it. Let's close this one. Now we need to add this function name here in the input range value. I'm changing on change. I have added this function name here. That's it. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. Save. I'm reloading the browser. And here we got the final output of our application. How to convert a color image into a black and white using a grayscale with JavaScript code. If you notice here we have two images. The first image I have converted using CSS style. The actual color is red color. It's converted into black. Now the second image I'm using JavaScript code. So notice here, when I move the range, it's converting into black and white. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have showed two methods using CSS and JavaScript code with a range operator, converting a color images into a black and white. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.